Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English Pleasures with Shasta. I am Shasta, so without any further delay, let's get started. As I have mentioned earlier, the 5 tips that you have to follow to speak English fluently. If anyone is unaware of that tips, so please go and check it out. Link is provided in the description box. So hello everyone, I am Shasta. So how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So let's start with our course. It's first day of your course, so let me tell you that if you really want to speak English fluently, then do hard work, stay positive and motivate yourself. So let's get started. So if you want to learn and understand any language, you should start with the basics, because all know that basics are the base, and you all are aware that basics should be clear, or in simpler terms I can say base should be strong enough so that you can tackle each and every question problem. So let's start with the basics. As you all know that in English there are 26 letters, and all these 26 letters came into alphabets, came under the alphabets. So you all are aware from the very beginning of your school that there are 26 letters, A, B, C, D and so on to Y, Z. So among these letters there are 21 consonants and there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. So this is the first step, that you must be aware of the vowels, because each and every vowel produce different sound. So, and you all are aware of the consonants, that except vowels all the remaining letters come under the category of consonants. So I think this is very much clear to you from the very beginning. If you know, it's very good. So vowels you can say it's the base of the whole English language. It's so because vowels are the backbone of English. So let's understand them. You all know that there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. You only have to keep in mind the sounds they produce. You don't have to go in the consonant part. You only have to remember the sounds of the vowels. No need to remember the consonants, because you don't need consonants. You need the help of the vowels to speak English fluently. क्योंकि जब हम स्पोकन इंग्लिश सीखते हैं तो हम सिर्फ बोलने की बात करते हैं, इंग्लिश लिखने का एस्पेक्ट जो है वो एक डिफरेंट थिंग है. So if you want to speak English fluently, then you have to understand vowels. Articles are associated with the vowels. Articles जो है वो vowels से associated है, क्योंकि हम इन 5 vowels की हेल्प से ही जो है वो हम आर्टिकल्स जो है समझ पाएंगे और सही आर्टिकल ए एंड द यूज कर पाएंगे किसी भी वर्ड या सेंटेंस में. और अगर आपको इन vowels की साउंड्स के बारे में क्लियर नहीं होंगी चीजें, तो यू आर नॉट एबल टू इंसर्ट आर्टिकल इन एनी सेंटेंस और in any word. So second step is that letters combine and give rise to words combine and give rise to sentences, and sentences help to speak English. So take any letter from A to Z. Suppose I'll take the letter T, and from this letter you have to make word. So word, suppose I make table. So, and you know that sentence is the combination of words which make complete sense. A group of words that make complete sense is called sentences. So you have to combine words. So keep the book on the table. Keep the book on the table. So here you can see I have choose one letter. I have made the word from that letter, and further on I have made sentence of from that word. So in this way you have to make sentences, and this will help you to enhance your speech. So this is your homework, that you have to choose any letter from A to Z. Keep in mind that there is no need to use any notebook. You have to do verbal practice of this loud in your room and make any word from that letter. Likewise, I have shown you earlier that I have taken letter, I have made the word from it, and then sentence. So you have to choose any letter from A to Z. You have to make word from that letter. From that word you have to make sentences. Make sure that you will make 4 to 5 sentences. Here I have made only one sentence, but you have to make 4 to 5. Prepare a speech on the topic. You have to prepare a speech on the topic best friend. You have to remember that firstly you have to start with 60 words, or if you are in the habit of learning with points, so you can make 5 to 6 points, and later on you have to exceed the limit of the word and also the point. This tips 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th one, you all have to do it in verbal practice. No need to use any notebooks. So practice the sound of the vowel aloud. You have to practice the sound of these vowels, because you all know that vowels are very, very important and play a very significant role in enhancing your English. So it's enough for today. In the second class I will make you aware of the correct usage of articles. So thank you so much.